This MasterChef Small Egg Skillet is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It's an 8-inch nonstick frying pan. It is perfect for cooking eggs and omelets. The size is just right for a single serving. You can even cook bacon in it. The nonstick surface is truly a game changer. Food slides right off, and cleanup is a breeze. This MasterChef Small Egg Skillet makes brunch preparation so much easier. The skillet is made from stainless aluminum. This makes it durable and helps it heat evenly. It works on all kinds of cooktops, including induction. That's a big plus if you have a modern kitchen. The pan feels solid and well made. It's also dishwasher safe, which saves you time. This MasterChef Small Egg Skillet is also non-toxic. That gives you peace of mind while you cook. It's a reliable pan for everyday use. Overall, this small fry pan is a winner. It's perfect for those quick meals. It's also great for smaller portions. The non-stick coating is excellent. Cleaning is super simple. If you need a small, reliable skillet, this is it. The MasterChef Small Egg Skillet is a great value. It's a simple yet effective tool for your cooking needs. We highly recommend this pan. It's a solid improvement to any cookware collection. Pros: simple to clean, induction ready, non-toxic build, dishwasher safe, small size perfect, good for eggs, omelet friendly, aluminum core, even heat, durable. Make cons: limited size, handle issues, loose handle, damaged product, warped rim, single screw handle. Lightweight feel, delicate coating, easy to overheat, no spray allowed. Features: non-stick 8-inch skillet, small for eggs, omelet, stainless, aluminum, induction. Non-toxic. This MasterChef 8-inch frying pan is a small, non-stick skillet perfect for cooking eggs and omelets. It's made from stainless aluminum, which helps heat spread evenly. This pan can be used on all kinds of stovetops, even induction ones. It's also made without toxic materials and is safe to wash in the dishwasher. This MasterChef 8-inch nonstick skillet is a small, lightweight pan made with an aluminum core for even heating and a stainless steel exterior. Designed for cooking eggs and omelets. It's induction ready, has a non-toxic coating, and is easy to clean in the dishwasher. However, some users have reported issues with the handle becoming loose or the pan arriving damaged or with a warped rim, noting it has a single screw handle and a delicate coating that can overheat easily. Also advising against using cooking sprays.